Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open your profile, and after opening your profile, you can just simply scroll down, and now you can tap on find friends at the middle right of the screen, and after this you can just simply select the friend that you want to unfollow. I can select this friend. After selecting the friend, you can now tap on friends, and here you can see the third option, that is unfollow. You can unfollow your friend by tapping on it, and it is the way you can repeat the process to unfollow other friends, and it is a way you can unfollow friends on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.